Hello vlog and welcome to another video. It's the 1st of December and we're gonna start decorating for Christmas, and it's so weird that I have to wait until the 1st of December to decorate because normally Asian people, especially Filipinos, we start Christmas pretty early. But as you can see there, I already started with a few small stuff, but we don't have a Christmas tree yet. I'm thinking to put the Christmas tree the same place where we had it last year, which is on that corner. And so I'm just waiting for Chris to get up, and we are gonna get our Christmas decors in the garage. So stay tuned. Hi! So he's here now. We're gonna start with decorating for Christmas.
I got nothing to do but kick it with you. I'm on the way down. Catch the vibe when I see you.
So we're gonna do the Christmas tree first, and then the other decor.
California crazy, my babe made me feel amazing. I call cause things been getting wild. We've been working hard, haven't chilled in a while. I've been on the road, always smoking weed, always going out. I've been losing sleep, yeah. We ain't chilled in a minute. I know I've been gone, but tonight I'm headed into no stress, keep it rolling now. I'm blessed.
So I also bought new what do you call this? Ornaments. Oh my god. And last year we had rose gold and silver. This little guy or old guy is handmade by Chris's
grandmother.
Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna start with putting ornaments.
God bless, so we holy now. All night, we gon' do it. Girl, I'm on my way. I'm on the way down. Catch the vibe and I feel okay. I got nothing to do but kick it with you. I'm on the way down.
Hello. So it's time for the star. I bought a new star. It's somewhere here. Yeah,
That's hanging the window.
huh?
That's for the window.
Yes.
Catch the vibe when I see your face.
Yay!
Got nothing
That
to
star will go on that window.
on my way.
And then we have another one just like that for the window by the kitchen.
I call cause I landed in the city. Gotta make some time even though we both busy.
And there's a genius invention that I recently found out. It's a magnetic screw which you can use for the stars on the window. You don't need to put holes if you don't want to put holes on your windows, and then you can hang your star. So I have this other one right here, but this one doesn't have, I'm not gonna have light. This one I can just put on this side of the window. So now I'm gonna make our advent, what do you call this, the four stuff.
I don't know. Advent candle.
Just bought a garland, and I'm just gonna wrap it around here.
I'm on the way.
Then you can also put like balls for the ornaments. Then to go with the theme, I have like green candles.
Kick it with you. I'm on the way.
Balls on it.
Everything's better with balls.
LA, California crazy. My babe made me feel amazing. I call cause things been getting wild.
And then I have this Christmas tree that I can just place here.
Up to you.
Okay, so we got this. This is Chris's.
It's not me.
I don't know.
It's a mouse.
And then we have like Santa Claus.
6.5 hours later.
Okay, now as a tradition, I will light one candle for the first week of December, first Sunday of December. So,
Första dag advent.
yeah.
And sing the song.
I don't know the song.
Då tänder vi det första lys, alene skall det stå.
Hi guys! So this weekend we're also doing our Christmas photo, and we have a setup going on in here, and the babies are all dressed up, so is Chris. So you will probably see the final photo at the end of this vlog, so keep on watching. So we just got finished with taking photos, and I will just edit them and then we can print it out ourselves as well. So we're back and we just had our photos printed out. It was quite nice that we were able to do that ourselves and so fast, and this is how it turned out. So it's just a simple design where we place Guyul, which means Merry Christmas, and warm holiday wishes from the Petersons. It's very minimalistic, and yeah, we're pretty happy with the results, and this is what our friends and family are getting for Christmas. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you haven't, and click the bell button so you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. So that's it. Merry Christmas! Guyul!